This past weekend, I decided to go to the Elephant's Trunk Flea Market in New Milford, Connecticut. This is one of, if not the biggest flea markets in Connecticut. If not the biggest, I think it's the best. This place is usually loaded with vendors and people buying all types of things, and it's a fun flea market to go to. So I decided to come see if we could find anything to buy and flip online. I always look for personal things also. And you could see this huge table of video games here. You find these cool vintage toys here. There's really just a little bit of everything here. That's why I have such a fun time coming here. So after looking through all the toys, not really seeing anything I personally needed and nothing that I was looking to sell, I ran into a media vendor, Felipe. I've actually done deals with him a bunch of times, and he had all these cool DVDs here, some Disney Channel Wizards of Waverly Place things, some brand new sealed Blu-rays, some obscure stuff, some cool horror movies, and we have worked out deals so many times in the past. I knew we were going to get a deal done here also. And yeah, we do. I'm looking through while he's helping out other people, and here I am. Ashley's getting some footage of me actually looking. Look at that beautiful thrift school shirt I got on. But yeah, no, I'm just checking around, seeing what he's got. He has some video games up front, and I'm just waiting to him to finish up with these people he's helping before we make a deal. Let's see what we get.
It's just weird because I'm getting text messages from other people. And I'm not. Ooh. It's kind of cool. Batman and Killer Croc. There's a bunch of cool Batmans. Are these Star Wars? Those are cool. All right, man. What's going on? Some of these look familiar. Are they yours? Yeah, I think they're from the What Stream though. This, at least this one, right? Yeah. Yeah. That was the mistake buy. Oh, is that the mistake buy? Yeah, no. I did not mean to go. Yeah. Right? Just this box? This is the kind of like the hand-picked stuff. Okay, there's cool stuff in there. For sure. And then seasons and possibly some stuff out of there. I don't know. What are you thinking? This stuff is like kind of like 1 to 2. Okay. Okay. That's cool. And then like we could do our usual with the some of the filler stuff. Okay. Like 50 cents. Yeah. That works. So, do you have any cardboard boxes or anything back here? Or a bag, anything? We don't have anything today. Well, that's a big guy to carry. We'll pick through some of this stuff. You want to pick with me, Ashley? See what looks cool? I mean, I feel like any of these are cool.
No, not
the Batman, Killer Croc's kind of neat. Yeah, I figured those would be good for you. Right? I saw another one that looked cool. Batman Year One. Looks cool. Spider-Man, Green Goblin. Batman, Cape Crusader. Have you checked the discs on them or no? No, I have not. Alright, I'll check them beforehand. Batman versus Dracula, that's cool. Oh, there you go. Oh, actually, I put them right here. There we go. A couple Star Wars. Star Wars is popular. Chip and Dale. I don't know about that. Barbie. Like we get asked about Barbie a lot.
Oh shit, old school guitar hero.
Barbies. A season. I still have enough to do one more season show, so I could add in a few more seasons if I find them. Yeah, you know I have the couple. Yeah, I saw some cool ones in there. Yeah. What is this? Oh, there we go. Some Nick Cage. I love Nick Cage. Why not? Is that Jonas Brothers? Is this? The Nick Cage one. Oh, is it? Yep. Here's Joe Bros. I feel like that could be good. There's a Criterion, but Royal Tenenbaums is not the best. Well, it might be okay for. It's a cheaper one, right? Yeah. Yeah, so why not? Have you been getting attacked by bees over here? There were a lot. Well, they've just been coming up to me. I kind of like avoid them. Yeah. You can see them everywhere. Mighty Ducks. Mighty Ducks is cool.
That's a little embarrassing that it's on our road.
Alright, I think that's good. Oh, I missed that. Hulk versus Thor, that's neat.
Luigi's Haunted Mansion.
Okay. Oh, you got some kids movies here. Anything look good, Ashley? Well, Mulan. I mean, come on. Mulan. Which one?
Cheston, your Alice.
Oh,
what's up?
Chestnut.
Oh, Chestnut.
Hero of Central Park.
Oh,
Those eyes look Uncanny Valley, no?
it's kind of creepy.
I don't know about that. Phil Collins. Moana. I mean, Toy Story's kind of popular because the 5th one's coming out, but
It's true. I think we had a hard time last time though.
I think we did. I can at least get Toy Story 1. Well, maybe I'll just get them both.
Secret of Nim is a good one.
Huh?
Secret of Nim is a good one.
Yeah. The Secret of Nim. Oh, right here. I feel like this has always been popular every time.
You just gotta replace the case.
Yeah, exactly.
It was like from a group home or something.
Ah, that's fine. Okay, I think that's good out of this one. What were you thinking on them? Try out this one. I think this might be considered Sony also. Let's see. Everybody's restricting Sony, even the biggest sellers.
I wasn't.
You weren't?
I was like, when I was on Amazon, I
Really?
wasn't.
Oh no, when I it's new now.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I used to sell Sony all the time, brand new, but you can't anymore.
Yeah.
I bet this one also. Yeah, this one also, of course. It's a shame. That's why I stay away from a lot of the new PlayStation stuff. It depends, though. What are you thinking?
What would you offer?
I mean, dude, I don't know if these would get bid up. To be completely honest, I think you'll do better selling them here. Because even if I wanted to sell them used on Amazon.
Well, I was thinking for your stream, not for.
No, I know, but I'm. Because at my
You do-
stream, I
you do
start
like
everything at 3.
5-star? You do
3, yeah.
5-star?
And most things like this probably would get bid up a little bit. It sells used for 17. That's $9.50 after fees. New it only sells for 22. It's not like a super expensive game. I mean, I would hope that these would get bid up to at least like $7 minimum.
I was thinking 20.
20 for all 3. So it's 7.14. Yeah, I mean that's a good deal.
Are you not taking iron though?
Oh, 20 for all 4?
Yeah, $5 each.
Sure. Yeah, that's cool.
Sounds good.
Yeah, I can make that work. Thank you. So I'll put those in there. So we're at 20. What is this? How did that get in there?
I have no idea. Did you fall out of your pocket?
How did that fall in my? I assume most.
Nobody's trying to talk to me since. Like none of the customers say that I don't.
No, you had that one lady. She bought some stuff, right?
Yeah, that was because my dad talked to her. That was
Oh,
a
really?
sell.
Peach Dragon. That's sealed. Sealed.
Today's kind of
Well, I'll make it a little bit better. The red shoes. All the wizards. I made a second stack.
The balance.
Can't go wrong with Hoodwink.
Oh my god. You're scaring me with that stack.
I always do. Come on now.
He loves the challenge.
Love Bubble Boy. I don't know if it's worth it.
Oh,
but I
Jesse.
love Bubble Boy. Oh, yeah, it's purple. Oh, because it's restricted. That's why, right? Oh no, it is not. It's normally restricted in Buena Vista. Cool. Oh, this looks wild.
Yep.
That right?
I watched it.
Oh, you did? How was it? Pretty intense.
It's intense. It's like dark web.
Look at that. All Night Long Volume 2 Atrocity. There's like a girl getting choked out in the shower.
Oh my God.
And, we probably won't show any of that on YouTube. But yeah.
Blur.
It's really like gory.
Yeah, it looks
Yikes.
like it. Deadpool. We had a guy. I wonder.
Daddy Dachshund.
Yeah, Dash Hound. Huh?
Oh my god, the bees.
Oh, almost did it. Your dad's on frames?
He keeps handing me money. I'm like, let's go.
That's awesome. Heck yeah. Yeah, we'll make a little stack.
Put it over here.
You're such a troublemaker.
I'm a troublemaker.
Yeah.
Oh, you found some CDs
I
too.
did. Maybe. Just wreaking havoc everywhere.
Baby Tremors. I think these are good for my stacks. Well, what do you think about Breaking Bad, Ashley? Good?
I feel good about
Bad
it.
seasons 1 and 2 and 3.
Someone will definitely want it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll take the cleaner one. Oh, this one's actually new. I'll definitely take that one. I don't need 2 of them. All right, that's good for now. I like that. That's a big chunk. So let's see, out of this stuff.
Oh wait, that's the one with like.
What do we got here, Ashley?
Winchester.
I've been watching it recently.
Spin Doctors. You think? I don't know about you two.
You don't have to. I just grabbed a couple.
Lost Lonely Boys. I feel like the Spin Doctors are cool.
Yeah, definitely.
And Lost Lonely Boys. Yeah, that's a good. I like
Can't go
Lost
wrong.
Lonely Boys. Can't go wrong with that. This is all you saw that was in like that genre.
Kind of. That I saw. I
Ooh.
did skim pretty.
Very best of Randy Travis. That's probably that would be nice to listen to on the ride home. $20. 35. 40 of those, 3 of these, 43. And then
20 for the games.
so 20 for the games.
I think 100 flat is all good.
Oh really?
Unless you're gaming more.
I was gonna say 60, 70, 80. Yeah, 100's fair. 100's fine. Sweet man, that was easy. Would you rather I pay you on Apple Pay or Cash App? Just so I can save my cash. Okay, cool. Sweet.
If you give me cash, I have to split it with him.
Apple Pay's good. There we go. Sweet. Well, I can't do Apple Pay. PayPal, Venmo.
Zelle.
What do we?
We usually use
Zelle.
Zelle.
Zelle. I got you. I mean, you're gonna be here for a little while. Do you mind if I leave this?
You know Mario Party's that premium though.
Oh, I know. I know. So I'm seeing if we can possibly make something work for Amazon on it. What do you know what you want on it?
Yeah.
Do you know what you want on it?
It's like a 20-ish kind of game.
Yeah.
So I don't think it would make
I'm
sense for you.
stuck waiting for it to load. It's not. Well, I will buy this. I know you want between 5 and 10.
No,
What would you want?
I could do better because they're going to the.
They're gonna go to that shop afterwards.
These ones.
All right, we decided to do 35 on this whole stack right here. Mario Party 8, 2, Crash Bandicoot, cool Atlas game, Need for Speed, and Spider-Man. $35 for the lot. Not too bad.
Creepy Freaks!
Yeah, Creepy Freaks are cool.
$10 each. Starter set.
$10. That's
$10
cool.
each. 2 for 15.
Man.
One of the grossest games ever. Chunky Sneeze Attack. Sudden but deadly attack. You can collect and trade all 56 Creepy Freaks. Available in these fine stores. You can look for a free Creepy Freak sticker in specially marked packages of Sprinklin's yogurt. Each sold separately.
Oh, that's okay.
So when
Do you have
buy
any
a
in your
box-
own collection that you keep, or?
Yeah, I got a couple. I don't know if they're meta decks because it's been like half a year and 3 sets have already come out. So
Oh,
it's
okay.
probably power prep, but it's great when you open up a box and then you get the one enchanted card and like, well, that pays for the box.
Yeah. Would you do $2 for wrestling?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, cool. Sweet. Thank you. I think I have 2 ones on it. I appreciate it.
I'm gonna take it.
Oh, yeah, Geek Sue drink.
Hello? Do you want me to hold
Oh,
it?
yeah. Thank you, babe.
Exactly when they're from.
Conquer. Kitty chip. I don't know. I like them though, but sorry. How much are you doing?
2 each?
2 each. Okay. Let's see, 1 I like, 2 I like, and then Ashley, I'm gonna have you pick the last one. Ape versus Monster or Secret of Nim double feature. Secret of Nim.
I was gonna say Ape versus
Really?
Monster. Yeah.
Because I
But you know
almost
what?
decided Secret of Nim
I
afterwards.
think Secret of Nim is the best way to go.
I think Secret
Yep.
of Nim, yeah. Cool. Sweet. There we go.
Personal opinion, that's the right choice.
Yeah, it was.
Monster, terrible movie, but
It
really
looks
funny.
terrible, yeah.
Yeah,
Alright, these ones look cool though. Legend of Zelda, Phineas and Ferb. You can't call them Phineas
you
and
really
Ferb.
can't.
Oh, sweet. Awesome, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
I think I have a 5 right here. I noticed when I was paying him, so.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Take care.
Bye-bye. When the jumping. Oh, I had this guy. This, he glows in the dark. He's a little dinosaur. I had him. These things are freaking sweet.
Hi, I'm Patty, founder of Awesome Text.
I had all the Simpsons ones also.
To keep old clothes and new.
These 2 days. Huh. Oh, that's cool. I don't know. Hi, is this yours? How much is this? $5? That's cool. Alright, we'll get it. See,
Very
these
cool.
are mystery. These could be fun.
That's cool.
If
I
they're-
see
these are really
Saved by
cute.
the Bell, the game. I've never
Oh,
heard
that's
of that before. That's awesome.
Excuse me. How much is the game? Perfect. Sweet. Thank you. Okay, we'll
What's
get
this
these.
whole thing?
It's like a knockoff PlayStation.
Oh. Cool.
I'll ask about these. These could be fun for stream. They're mystery.
For giveaways?
Yeah, see them? They glow in the
Very
dark.
cool.
And, yeah.
Why not? They're flat enough, right?
Yeah, it depends if they're cheap or not.
Okay.
Alright. Look at those two. And then I'll ask about these guys. These are 20 for the bag. What do you think? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I don't think it's worth
No?
it. No.
Okay. Alright, we'll get those. Yeah, you too.
What's up with your shirt?
Huh?
ThriftSchool?
Yeah.
I was like, that's not a thing. That
No,
makes sense.
it is a thing.
It is a thing
It
now.
is a thing.
Okay, I gotta check it out.
Yeah, yeah. Definitely check it out.
I was gonna reach out
Okay.
to you for me, because I had like tons of like seal like stuff.
Yeah. I know. I bought a bunch of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I had your number from 2 years ago when you
Okay.
came here.
Yeah.
But then I think I tried reaching out on like social media on one of the things, but I know you probably get like
I get so many
bombarded.
messages. I miss them all the time.
But like if you wanna like ever come down,
The warehouse, right?
I have a antique store in Brookfield.
Brookfield,
like
okay.
10 minutes away from here.
Okay.
But like I can literally drive a car full of stuff up towards you.
Sure, yeah.
Kind of pick through.
Okay.
That's
Good, yeah.
This kid earlier came and handed me $15 and was like, I'm taking the thing, and I was like, the game, and I was like, that's a 4. And he was like,
Yeah.
oh.
Man, is it complete? It is complete.
Yeah. I never played it,
Dang,
but
dude.
it looks freaking awesome.
It does look freaking awesome. They remade this on PS5.
Ooh.
This is sick though. Man, and this game.
That was like.
This game was wild back in the day.
Wild, yeah. That was like the old WWF games where like,
Yeah.
they could get away with the
Get away with saying
the
something,
Brock
doing
candy match and
Yep.
all the.
Oh yeah.
Before
Literally,
society.
like they show it right on. There's a pimp walking,
Yeah.
just busting nut
Yep,
laughing.
yep,
It's
yep.
hilarious. Oh man.
I just found this.
That's
at,
cool.
Goodwill yesterday.
Heck yeah, dude.
I was like, oh.
Got it. Man, these two would be sweet. What would you do on these?
I would do 60.
60 for the pair?
Yeah, 30.
Are they both complete?
Double
Yeah,
check it.
dude, that's Let me take a look
Yeah,
through these
go through.
also.
Yeah.
Sweet, thank
That's
you.
freaking awesome.
Yeah, I got it for $5. Like a table
Really?
away, brand new. I was like, yeah, that's cool.
Nice.
I'll take that. I didn't. So you said 40?
Yeah.
Oh no, 60. 60
Oh,
you
yeah.
said 60.
Yep.
And then I see 3s and 2s. There's 1 5, so I don't know.
3, 5, 8, 10, 15.
As you
Just
should.
do 12.
12.
Yep.
So 72.
72.
All right, cool. And then we don't have room right now, but in the future when we do a deal, would you sell like a big lot like that?
I would, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
What would you do for like this lot right
I don't
here?
know, like, do you work off of percentages of what they...
With these, I start them all on Whatnot at like $2-3. So
Okay,
and then whatever
so-
they go for, they go for.
Okay,
So
cool.
I mean,
I
I know there's
priced everything out, but
oh, there's
like,
some higher end stuff. Okay.
But like, I also like, tell people I can definitely do
I know,
better.
yeah.
You know what I mean? But
Okay,
if you
so that's
bought like
fine.
a whole lot, like these are all the horror ones.
Yeah.
Just for your brain, all the horror stuff type.
You would think that would sell best
I
usually.
would
Yeah.
think,
Yeah. Okay. So then, yeah, we'll work something out in the future for sure.
So it was a pretty fun day at the flea market. I did buy some personal things, which I love when that happens, when I could get decent deals for myself. Yeah, it's a win. And I found a bunch of stuff to sell, made a couple good connections, as you guys saw at the end there, potentially setting up a future buy at somebody's antique store. That could be a fun video. We'll see what happens there. Then, of course, the massive bulk lot of media I made right in the beginning. Man, what a great day. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions at all. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School, signing out. See ya.